Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering OTF or TTF files into a single project folder so nothing gets lost. Next, install a font manager or use your operating system installer. This helps preview and batch install. Save time. Make sure you read the license to confirm desktop versus web usage and note any embedding or modification limits. Once done, clear duplicate names and validate files for corruption so installers won't fail, and prepare a simple naming convention for consistent workflow. You now install and activate fonts in the environments where you'll use them. Use your font manager to batch install or drag files into the system fonts folder, then open target apps and load the fonts from their font menus. If an app doesn't show a font, restart it and make sure app-level activation is enabled. When conflicts arise, rename PostScript or family names carefully and set substitution rules so documents render consistently across machines and collaborators. You finish by applying fonts in layouts and preparing outputs. Convert text to outlines for production files when necessary to avoid missing glyphs, and embed fonts in PDFs only if the license permits. When exporting for web, generate WAF/WAF2 and subset glyphs to reduce size. If fonts go missing, check activation status, look for name conflicts, clear font caches, and verify file permissions. If all else fails, substitute a similar family and document the change for collaborators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.